Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Empower Elegance. If you've ever wanted to supercharge your psychic intuition, whether it's to trust your gut, see clearer visions, or just feel the energy around you, this crystal grid tutorial is for you. I'm Elena, your guide to all things spiritual, and today I'm sharing a powerful crystal grid that helped me unlock my intuition fast. And it's going to do the same for you. Stick around because I'll also share a secret tip at the end to amplify your results. Let's dive in. Okay, first thing first. What's a crystal grid? Think of it as a sacred blueprint that combines the energy of crystals with sacred geometry to amplify your intentions. For this grid, we're focusing on boosting your psychic intuition, your third eye, your inner knowing, your cosmic GPS. When you arrange crystals in a specific pattern, their energies work together like a powerhouse to open your mind to higher realms. Cool, right? Let's get into the crystals we'll use. For this grid, we're using 3 must-have crystals for psychic intuition. Don't worry if you don't have all of them. Substitutes work too. The first one is Amethyst, the ultimate third eye activator. It's like a Wi-Fi signal for your psychic senses, helping you tap into dreams and visions. The second one is Clear Quartz, the amplifier. This crystal boosts the energy of every other crystal in the grid, making your intuition crystal clear. Labradorite, the stone of magic. It protects your energy and helps you see beyond the veil. Perfect for psychic downloads. Pro tip: if you don't have Labradorite, try moonstone or sodalite for similar vibes. Cleanse your crystals first with sage, sound, or moonlight to clear any old energy. Which crystal are you most excited to work with? Drop it in the comments. Alright, let's build this grid. You'll need a sacred geometry pattern. I'm using the Flower of Life because it's super powerful for intuition. You can print one out or draw it. Here's how to do it. Set your intention. Hold your crystals and say, I open my psychic intuition with clarity and ease. Feel it in your heart. Place the center stone. Put your amethyst in the center of the grid. This is your anchor, opening your third eye. Add supporting stones. Place 4 clear quartz points around the amethyst, pointing outwards to amplify the energy. Finish with labradorite. Surround the quartz with labradorite stones in a circle to protect and enhance your psychic vibes. Activate the grid. Use a clear quartz wand or your finger to connect the dots between the crystals, visualizing a web of light linking them. Imagine your intuition glowing brighter with every connection. Pause the video and set up your grid now. Share a pic of your grid on Instagram and tag me. I can't wait to see it. Now that your grid is activated, here's how to use it to boost your intuition fast. Meditate with it. Sit by your grid for 5-10 minutes daily, focus on your third eye between your eyebrows and ask, what do I need to know? Journal your insights. Keep a notebook nearby. Write down any images, feelings, or messages that pop into your mind. Trust me, they'll come. Sleep near it. Place the grid under your bed or on your nightstand to enchant psychic dreams. This is what I do. Secret tip: before meditating, rub a drop of lavender or frankincense oil, essential oil, on your third eye to supercharge your connection to the grid's energy. There you have it, Soul Tribe, a crystal grid to unlock your psychic intuition fast. Try this for just 7 days and I promise you'll start noticing sharper gut feelings, vivid dreams, or even psychic downloads. Don't forget to grab my free crystal grid guide in the description for more layout and tips. If you love this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Share this with your spiritual bestie who needs a psychic boost. Let me know in the comments. How is your intuition feeling already? See you in the next video, beautiful souls.